Welcome to the SAS Link tutorial video series. This series of video tutorials will help you with navigating and successfully accessing your accommodations through the SAS Link accommodation portal. In this video, we will go over how to request a meeting with your SAS accessibility specialist through SAS Link. To begin, you will open a new internet browser window and navigate to the SAS Link webpage. You can easily access this page by bookmarking this website URL or by going to the SAS webpage and clicking on the appropriate button to access SAS Link. After navigating to the SAS Link webpage, you will log in with your TU login username and password. Logging in should bring you to this main landing page. This is the primary hub for requesting and managing your accommodations each semester. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a variety of menus with different options for accommodation modules, which are explored in other videos in this series. To request a meeting with your SAS Accessibility Specialist, you will select Request for Appointment under the Home menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This will take you to a new page where you can confirm that this feature does not officially schedule an appointment with your SAS Accessibility Specialist and only shares available times from which your specialist can select. You will receive confirmation by email with a calendar invite you can download to your Google or phone calendar. Once confirming this information, you should be on a new page now. You will see a variety of options to select from and places to put information in important to the selection of a time to meet. In the first step, you will select the type of meeting that you need. This lets your accessibility specialist know your preferred method of meeting. Under the selection, you may provide any additional information important to the scheduling of the meeting. In the next step, under Appointment Purposes, you will select an option for why you want to meet with your accessibility specialist. The following headlines correspond to certain reasons why you would need to meet with your accessibility specialist. If you are a brand new applicant for services and looking to request a time to meet with your specialist, you should select one of the options under Applying for Accommodations. If you have not submitted your documentation, you should select the option Discussing Options for Documentation. If you have submitted your documentation, you should select Initial Appointment. Not sure to what to select? Then choose General Information Request. If you are currently registered with the office and want to meet to discuss ongoing concerns with accommodations, you should select one of the options under Updating Accommodations. If you want to generally discuss adding some additional accommodations, you should select Additional Accommodation Inquiry. If you have submitted an additional accommodation request form through SAS Link and are ready to meet up with your accessibility specialist to discuss the request, you should select Additional Accommodation Review. If you want to discuss a concern about your faculty's implementation of your accommodations with your accessibility specialist, you should select Discussing Faculty Concern. If you are currently registered with the office and want to meet with an SAS staff member for something not concerning your accommodations, you should select one of the options under Beyond Accommodations. If you are hoping to just meet with a staff member for a general check-in, you should select General Check-in. If you are scheduling an appointment with the SAS Learning Specialist, you should select Learning Intervention Session. Don't worry if you cannot figure out which option to choose. Do the best to make the right determination, and be sure to include some information in the Notes or Concerns section above. We'll figure out the rest. Finally, you will select at least 3 time slots you are available over the next 2 weeks under the Select Your Availability section. We encourage you to select as many options as possible. These are not the dates or times that the meeting will be scheduled. Your selection shares with the accessibility specialist what times you will be available, so the specialist can schedule the requested appointment for the date and time that works best for both of you. For partial availability, please select the times that work best and indicate in the Notes and Concerns box that you have partial availability during the times selected. Once you have confirmed all of the information is correct and the best representation of your availability, click Submit Request. An SAS staff member will follow up with you and include a meeting link to confirm the time and date that works best for you. Be sure to confirm the appointment information in the email from SAS Link and download the iCal file to your Google Calendar or phone calendar.